blessed to be here with you guys today. Trust me, this is the end of the evening. We are officially September the 1st, Saturday. Guys, I'm telling you, 2012 is a year to remember. We just came back from Hot 105 Cox Radio. We were with Tonto Metro. You guys will see the video. And man, he is such an awesome person. We also met with Lady English and Elizabeth over there. We had such a great time. My gosh, you know, we went with, you know, Jamaica, Miami, myself, Najiba Medina, and of course Hanifa White. We went over there and we interviewed and, you know, just basically let everybody know about what's coming this weekend. The Does Miami Got Talent Show Us What You Got at the Hard Rock Improv. Oh my gosh, if you haven't already bought your tickets, you definitely want to make sure that you buy them ASAP. And you want to go to the improvftl.com. You want to go to www.hoodstock, that's right, HOODSTOCK 305.com, and click on auditions if you're an artist, because this is your time to shine. I'm talking about super duper stage time. Do you understand that this is historical? Everybody that's passed you know, through the auditions, through Hoodstock Music Fest in the last 18 years have gotten super huge success. You know, people like Busta Rhymes, you know, DJ Khaled. I'm talking about Fat Joe, man. You guys know him. Lean back, that's right. And you know, Mad Lion. I'm just talking about so many people, but we're really about empowering the youth. We're about fulfilling people's dreams. We're about actually having unity in the music industry and having any type of music come together to lead up to success, to happiness, to joy, to their dreams. That's what we're doing at Hoodstock. So I want you guys to make sure you log in. Go also to the social network. Make sure your pictures are on there. Make sure that you are intertwined with the hottest up-and-coming social network that there is in the music industry today, the most popular, and that's www.hoodstock305.com. Can you wait to see where we're going to be? Come with us on the road to freedom. Thank you so much, Najiba Medina. Thank you so much, Paul Mystic. God bless.